Hey everyone, this is Jon Sherman, the author of The Four Foundations of Golf. And in this video, I wanted to give a quick demo of the Indoor Golf Shop's newest product, the SIGPRO Premier impact screen. So a couple of years ago, I was fortunate enough to have this room in my house transformed into my dream golf simulator. And the in-home golf division of Indoor Golf Shop helped me with that process. We went back and forth for a couple of months. The dimensions in this room were a bit challenging, but we came up with a model we really liked. And they came and transformed this room into my dream simulator in less than a day. It was pretty incredible. So this now doubles as our washer and dryer room. We have a nice curtain back here to show we can reveal that when we need it, so we can do laundry. So we're able to customize everything. And more importantly, the experience has been pretty much flawless for the last 2 years. So the impact screen that I have is the Premium, which is triple layered, commercial grade. This thing has had thousands of golf shots hit onto it. No rips, not even any visible signs of wear. It's been incredible. But more importantly, the image is crystal clear. I watch movies in here with my kids all the time, and it's been a great entertainment system as well. But one thing I do use this room quite a bit is with the lights on. I actually prefer that. It's not optimal for most simulators. So I wanted to give a quick demo of what it looks like beforehand. Obviously, it's a little washed out, the color, because I do have the lights on, but I do prefer that. So I just wanted to give a quick look of the before image of what it looks like before I switch over to the new Premier screen. So this is what it looks like with the lights on. And let me go ahead and turn them off really quickly. So obviously you see when the lights are off. When we're watching a movie in here, you're gonna get a much clearer image. But as I said, when I'm hitting balls, I like to have the lights on. This is what it looks like with the Premium impact screen. Now I'm gonna do some adjustments, input the new Premier, and then we'll switch over to that and see the difference. Okay, it's about 20 minutes later, and I'm actually pretty surprised I was able to do that. I am literally the least handy person in the world, which is why I hired In-Home Golf to do this install in the first place. But they sent me really detailed instructions, and I was able to put the Premier screen over my former screen, the Premium, and already I can see the difference. Now the lights are on, and my first impression is that it's much darker looking. The gray is picking up on the darker shots here. This is obviously the 12th hole at the quote-unquote Georgia Golf Club. And the colors are definitely popping more. And I'm actually really happy with this because, as I said, I do hit a lot of balls with the lights on over time. And what's really cool is if I transition to turning the lights off, this is even a richer color than I had before. So I'm pretty excited for this to watch sporting events, movies with my kids. And if I decide to transition to hitting balls more in the dark in here, I can have that option, but I can clearly see the difference between these two. And I'm gonna put the lights back on one more time. So one of the reasons that the Indoor Golf Shop made this screen is because people like myself hit balls with the lights on, and they wanted a better environment for that. And I think what I'm seeing right off the bat is far superior to the white Premium screen. So I think this is a great addition to their lineup, and I'm likely going to stick with it myself. Thanks for watching, and reach out to the Indoor Golf Shop staff. If you have any questions, they can custom design these things to any size you want.